There goes a sight from my soul.
Hey guys, today we're going to be installing Mpc Motorsports hardware, lower control arms, rear subframe brace, tie bar, and all of the hardware that goes along with it today. We're going to show you how to install that properly on an Integra. This is pretty much the same process as an EG Civic as well. The first thing we have to do is remove everything off of here. We're removing the ABS on this vehicle, so we will no longer need the ABS sensors. The strut bar has already been removed, connecting here and here. Now we need to remove these lower control arms and the suspension, and then begin to install the brace here first. Now we need to remove the other side. Alright, so when you install your subframe, you're going to get a set of directions. You're going to have two pieces here that are brackets. They're going to install like this. Essentially, when you put them on the car, has a really great explanation of all the parts you're going to be using, including the bolts, and even how it goes onto the body of the car. So now, we're going to get this ready to install on the car. We've got everything stripped back, just these pieces here. Got the two bolts installed on this side and on this side for the other side. We're going to place this here like this. We're going to stick a bolt through here on this side just to hold it. Now that's just to hold it in place. Now we're going to take this piece here and install it up inside here. We're going to take our first one. Okay, so we have the subframe brace here. We have our bolt here. We're actually going to be using some 100-proof hardware here. Then we're going to get all this threaded in and tighten it down. And there is the brace back here. Nice. There's also a nut. And that's what it should look like inside of there. Do the same on this side. And then we're gonna do the tie bar and the control arms. First thing we're gonna do is stick our control arm in there. Then we have a 100-proof LCA hardware we're going to add. Alright, so we have a 100-proof hardware here and here. We're going to leave these bolts loose until we get the car on the ground so that the angle of the control arm will be at the correct angle, and then you can tighten these down. There's the tie bar. Same thing, we're going to leave this loose until we get the car on the ground. Now we're going to work on the other side. An easy trick for this is actually to put this one in first. Make sure you get it nice and threaded. If you get an angle. Then, once you lift up this entire thing, course, our last piece of 100 proof hardware. And of course, we're going to leave all of this loose until we get the car on the ground so that everything is at the proper angle, and then we tighten everything up. So here is the finished product. It looks absolutely gorgeous underneath the car, and it's definitely functional. It does allow for strut bars, which I will probably install later, but for now I want to actually clean the strut bar and all of the hardware. As you can see, it's over there in the corner. That'll be something I'll deal with later, but as far as a quality product, fit and finish, this is phenomenal, and they have a bunch of different colors you can choose from. If you're interested in getting any of these parts that you've seen in the video, go to mpcmotorsport.com, pick up what you need, and also don't forget to upgrade with your 100 proof hardware. Thanks again, we'll see you in the next one.